Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Lainie and this is Lainie Reacts, and today I am reacting to more NIGHTWISH. So I've done 2 songs prior to NIGHTWISH and I've been really surprised. One, how the lead singer Flo has an absolutely amazing voice and how talented they are musically. Despite that doesn't make sense. Despite being something that I wouldn't usually listen to, so symphonic metal, or metal in general, is not something that I would have listened to. So yeah, it's very different for me, but I have been enjoying it. So I have got another song which is called Romanticide. Not sure what obviously to sort of play on romance, I'm guessing, but because it's to side in it, it's like, doesn't sound like a good word, let's put it that way. I'm guessing whatever the romance wasn't good, so we'll press play and find out. So here we go. I have to just pause there, but them guitar skills were mental, like amazing. I loved how the guy in the crowd with the blow-up guitar was like, I'm doing it. That was cool. So far I'm kind of getting a negative romance from what's being said. Obviously sort of leave me be and references to it not having a good effect on our life, I guess, and well, the person's life. I'm not sure who wrote this, so it could have been her, it could have been someone else, couldn't it? And so that was what it was about. And yeah, there's a lot of negative romances in the world, isn't there? So many people get caught in those, which is sad. But yeah, her helicoptering was, it's still amazing. Not something I would be able to do, to be fair. I mean, I probably could, but I would pay for it. Believe it. But yeah, I'm gonna press play. The guy with the white hair and beard, he's got a good voice as well, hasn't he? Sorry I don't know his name, but yeah, really cool voice. Yeah, again, you know, really impressed by the musical ability of the band, and Flo's voice is just amazing. Also adding to that, the guy with the blonde hair, I preferred it when he was singing in harmony with her rather than on his own, but I think that was meant to be in that way. It was kind of more of a bit spoken anger, is that a thing, rather than like an actual singing. But when he was harmonizing, it was really good. Yeah, obviously, like I said, it's a song about a really negative a really negative romance that was affecting the person's life who wrote the song, affecting their life. And so yeah, I totally get that. I think we've all been there once, at least some of us continually, I guess. Anyway, thank you for the suggestion, and I shall well, actually, if you've got any other suggestions, please put them in the comments box below. Also, if you're not subscribed, please do. I really appreciate it. And I will put another song that I've reacted to up here. If you'd like to watch it, that would be lovely. And other than that, bye bye now. Bye bye.